Ayan, for warm-up games. Okay, kids? We have needed something, okay? So at the count of 3, I want you to look for that item, okay? Ready? Let's call it find the shapes. Ha? Ayan, tinanggal na natin shapes niya. It's already. 1, 2, 3, go! Look under your chairs. Okay, look for the shapes. Shapes. Shapes po, shapes. We have needed at least 5 shapes. If you got one, then you can have it. It's yours. No, kuya. Okay, you have. Ayan. Get those shapes. Cheese. Okay, bring me your shapes. Ayan, get here, everybody. Oh, who wants a shape? Wow, o, diba? Oh, everybody come here. Apologize. How many are you? 1, 2, 3. 2 more. 2 more shapes. At the back. There. Huh? 1, 2, 3. Okay, hold your shapes. Yung mga nasa likod, tingnan niyo po, yung ilalim ng upuan niyo, mga bata. Kids chairs lang po ha, walang adult chairs. Ganon? Wala na? Cheese. Okay, kuya come here. Ayan, this time. Ayan, di ba may prize na kayo? You can have your shape. But, okay. This is also our second game. And this afternoon, ayan, pakita natin.
Oh.
Okay. Okay, so let's have our second game. And this afternoon, I want you to greet Abby a happy birthday. Okay, so this time I'm looking for the longest greeter. So, okay, I want you to, the winners are already qualified to join this contest. But later on, all of you can join here also, okay? So, pahabaan ito ng pagbati kay Abby, ha? You have to greet Abby a happy birthday in a long way. Ayan, di ba? Gusto niyo yun? So, who's going to greet Abby first?
Ako lang
Who's going to start? Ayan, sample tayo. Kuya here will do a sample. 1, 2, 3, go!
Happy birthday, Abby!
Ayan, so you have to make it long, ha? As long as you can. Okay, it's going to start. Ate. Okay, your name is Gabby. Okay. So, Gabby, how old are you? 6 years old, okay? So, you're going to greet Abby a happy birthday. You have to make it long, okay? Ready? 1, 2, 3, go! Happy birthday, Abby!
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25.
Wow! Ayan, medyo nagpahinga siya ng konti. It's okay, okay? So, 20, how many seconds? 20, 22, okay? You have to break at 22 seconds, okay? RJ, how old are you? 9 years old, okay? So, Abby is only 6, okay? So, I guess you have to do more. Ready? 1, 2, 3, go! Happy birthday, Abby!
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25.
Woo! 25 seconds for RJ! Yay! Clarissa, how old are you? 6 years old. Okay, so you know how to greet Abby. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3, go. Happy birthday!
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16.
Ayan, medyo kinahapa ko si Ate Clarissa. Okay, that's okay. Ayan, dito. Move here, Ate. Let's go to Ella. Ayan, ang galing sumayaw ni Ate Ella, our future hula dancer. Okay, so you're going to greet Abby happy birthday. Everybody, let's all count, ha? Ready? 1, 2, 3, go! Happy birthday, Abby!
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 27, 28, 29.
Woo! 29